Hello everyone, I am Padmaja from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you are going to see how you can create your blog without having a knowledge of Java, HTML or coding anything. Just you simply need to have an Gmail account. Along with that, you need to have proper niches or your blog name, whichever blog you want to make. So be with me till the end of this video so that you will not miss any of the point. So let's begin then. First of all, go to your browser or open any of the browser you want. And simply type a blogger.com. When you will type a blogger.com, a website will be opened or a website will be displayed on your home screen. So here you can see a website of a blogger, or even at the top right corner when you will click on the three dots, that you can see a blogger option over here. From there also you can just create a blog. As prior I have been said, you need an Gmail account to create the blog. Now this is a website, and when you log into the website, it will ask you to choose your blog name. So simply choose your blog name, whichever blog name you want to keep for your blog, and just proceed ahead. Now here you need to choose your URL name for your blog. Whatever URL name you want to keep for your blog, you can just simply type that URL name over here and proceed ahead. Once you will finish this procedure, it will again ask you to the display name, the name which is going to be displayed on your blog. So see that you carefully choose your display name also, and just finish the procedure. Now here you can see, after finishing all this procedure, it will show you such kind of screen on your desktop. Now on a new post, here you can see when you are going to post something, you can preview and you can publish over here. There is a publish option over here. Now here in a status, it will show you the status of your blog, means whatever, how many can have been visited to your blog, and what is the status of your blog is shown in a status option. Here in a view blog, it will show you what kind of blog is being displayed and how your blog is going to be viewed in a view blog section. Now in a theme option, you can choose any of the themes, whichever theme you want to be chosen for your blog. Now here you can see I have just simply selected one of the theme amongst the themes available over there, and how it looks when you are visiting visiting the website in your phone or any tab. If you wanna just here you can even just customize your templates also. I mean, you can change your background. For changing a background, you can just go to the pixel site, wherein you can just simply have an high HD quality of the templates or the images you can download over from there. So this is a website from where you can simply download images for your blog. Now and just simply apply over it. Now if you don't want this kind of a template, or if you want a high contrast template, then you can simply search a blogger free templates over a website, and there you will find lots of free templates that are being available on a website. You can simply visit any of the website. Now I'm just simply going to visit any of one website. From there you can choose any of the templates, whichever template you want to choose. Here I am gonna just simply select a random template over here, and when you will select a random template, it will ask you for a download option. You can download that template from there, and after downloading the template, see that this template is in a zip file. You need to extract that template. So when you will just go to the theme option, in theme option you will find an HTML. Here you can even copy that HTML codes and you need to paste over here. Now just simply go to the customize option. In that restore, in restore it will ask you to upload which font or which file you want to restore. Just simply I'm going to just link that file. Now here you can see I've just saved it. Now see, now all the template, means all the look of my website has been totally been changed, because I've just linked the new wallet template to my website. I mean, say, created a blog page. Now in a theme, in a layout, here you can change your layout if you don't want a home page over there, if you want to change your title, if you want to change your labels. From layout you can change over print. Now in settings there are some basic settings and privacies. From here you can change your basic settings and privacies over here. So this was all about on how you can create your website, a free website, without having prior knowledge of HTML and Java coding, etc. So that's all. For more details, the links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and find it useful, then press a like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.